The SYLVANIA Headlight Restoration Kit offers a straightforward and effective solution for anyone dealing with hazy, sun-damaged headlights. With its user-friendly three-step process, the kit simplifies what can often be a daunting task. The restoration is designed specifically to enhance both the light output and beam pattern of your vehicle's headlights, ensuring improved visibility and safety while driving at night or in poor weather conditions. The inclusion of an exclusive UV block clear coat is a standout feature. This coating not only provides a restored appearance, but also protects against future sun damage, making the restoration long-lasting. Users can expect a significant enhancement in clarity, which translates to a better aesthetic for the vehicle as well as increased safety on the road. One of the most impressive aspects of this product is how quickly and effectively it works. In just a few simple steps, even those with minimal DIY experience can achieve professional-looking results. The kit includes all necessary components, and the detailed instructions allow for a hassle-free application.